Hi guys, this is a quick video showing you how to adapt a wing in the Arrma's Granite 665 Mega that uses the clipless body. The problem with the clipless body and body mounts are that this this body mount, the wing mount, the Typhon's wing mount won't go in. So you need to use the version 3 body mount, because it goes like this, all the way in. So besides using or needing the Typhon's wing mount, you will need the Outcast skid plate and Outcast bumper, because the bumper goes into the wing mount. So actually what you need is the Granite's version 3 body mount, the Typhon's wing mount, the Outcast wing, the Outcast bumper, and the Outcast skid plate. And I also installed the Outcast wheelie bar because I like it. I like how it is up there, So yeah, I'm gonna post the part numbers so you can also do it. Okay guys, bye.